Tips for vertical banners. We already made special text bubbles for them with each word from a new line, so these bubbles look better at vertical formats because we can make them bigger. There are some other tips. For example, if you have too much free space at your vertical banners, you can duplicate an item or a person and make it bigger and semi-transparent. In this case, it will look like kind of reflection of your item, and sometimes it looks good. Let me show this to you. Actually, this is made at this example, so it looks like this, like kind of reflection. And to do it, you just have to duplicate your person item layer, take that one that is behind, make it bigger, like this, or even bigger. When there is a person, okay, we will place it like this and make it, let's say 25 or 35, something like this. So this adds some dynamic to these banners, and they don't look like there is too much free space and we didn't know how to fill it. Let's look how it works with another item, for example, with the headphone. For a headphone, probably we want it to be less transparent, like this. Okay, so it works as well, but with the headphone there is too much space in the center. Probably we want to move them a little, something like this. Actually, you can do the same with some horizontal formats, but usually they are more busy with the content and those free spaces appear at vertical banners. Okay, let's set our girl back to the banners. Okay, there is another girl. Let's see. Yeah, this is another image. And as I've said before, you better delete these unused images from your components if you just have a file for a single set of banners for a single version, and always replace them, because when you add invisible images, make them invisible, they are still processed by Figma. It slows down your file, and in our case I just left them to show you how this works. Okay then, and there is one more tip for vertical banners. Sometimes the buttons on them look too small, like on this one. In this case, you just can move a button from the text bubble, for example, put it separately, and I will center it and I will make it bigger, like this, maybe a little smaller, like this, and I make button invisible in this. So it looks okay, but the button is bigger when you watch your banner at 100% scale. So you can do the same with some of these banners. So these are some tips for vertical banners for Google Ads.